Hey agents, I'm Carrie Hill, lawyer turned realtor and coach. And today we're putting two of the most innovative names in the real estate industry head to head. eXp Realty and Real Broker. Choosing the right brokerage sets the foundation for your career success. Pick the right one and you're on a solid path to growth. Pick the wrong one and your momentum is over. So let's get to it. Overview. Both Real Broker and eXp Realty operate as cloud-based brokerages without traditional brick-and-mortar office spaces, which makes them flexible and efficient options for agents. However, if you prefer having a place to work outside your home or a professional setting to meet clients, eXp Realty offers free access to over 4,000 Regus office business lounges worldwide. This gives eXp agents an extra edge for client meetings and collaborations in a formal setting. Both brokerages are structured to provide agents with better commission splits by avoiding franchise owners' layers, which means more money in the agent's pockets. To understand more about that, check out the eXp Explained video that I'll link in the description. Agent satisfaction. When evaluating brokerages, agent satisfaction is one of the most important factors. On Glassdoor, eXp Realty holds a 4.6 star rating from over 35,000 reviews, while Real Broker has a strong 4.5 star rating from only 109 reviews. Notably, eXp Realty has consistently made it onto Glassdoor's top 100 companies to work for from 2018 to 2024, which speaks to the consistent agent satisfaction and company culture at eXp Realty. Real Broker has not yet made it to this prestigious list at all. If you're curious about how the top real estate firms stack up regarding this satisfaction aspect, check out our video, Best Real Estate Brokerages to Work For, Insiders Admit the Worst. Spoiler alert, eXp Realty ranks #1 on Glassdoor. Brokerage availability. Another key factor when selecting a brokerage is where they operate. eXp Realty is active in 50 states and 24 countries, with a powerful agent network of over 89,000 agents. This international presence offers unmatched opportunities for agents to collaborate globally, expand their client base, and build referral relationships around the world. In comparison, Real Broker operates in 50 states and only 2 countries, with around 20,000 agents. While Real Broker is growing, it doesn't yet match the global reach and network size of eXp Realty. For agents seeking wider opportunities and broader resources, eXp Realty's expansive network is a huge advantage. Brokerage profitability. Why does profitability matter to you as an agent? A financially stable brokerage can continue to invest in tools, training, and support for its agents. When brokerages struggle financially, they not only don't keep up with the tech, they often start cutting back on resources or adding fees that affect your bottom line. Real Broker has posted 19 quarters of earnings, but with only one profitable quarter, which raises questions about its long-term viability, especially given the new NAR rules. In contrast, eXp Realty has posted 20 quarters of earnings with 15 profitable quarters, a profitability rate of 75%. Additionally, eXp Realty is the only publicly traded brokerage that's been profitable for the past 5 years, signaling continued stability and growth. If you want the full scoop on brokerage profitability, check out our video, Exposed Top Real Estate Companies That May Go Under. Again, link below. Okay, I bet you're thinking by now that I'm with eXp Realty, and you're right, but I'm not being biased. The facts speak for themselves. And if you're curious about joining our record-breaking team, like other agents are doing every single week, it's because we offer more free value than anyone else in the real estate industry is offering. Book a call with us. The link is in the description below. Commission splits. When it comes to commission splits, this is what agents often focus on the most. After all, it determines how much of your hard-earned commission stays with you. Real Broker offers agents a 25-15 split until they hit their $12,000 cap, after which they can keep 100% of their commission. Agents at Real can also earn up to $24,000 in company stock by meeting certain production milestones. I have no idea if those are easy to meet or not. At eXp Realty, agents start with an 80-20 split, and once they've paid $16,000 to the brokerage for the year, they cap and move to 100% commissions. Agents at eXp Realty also earn stock for reaching specific production goals, and agents can earn their $16,000 cap back in company stock, also by meeting certain milestones. And these ones are reachable. Fees. Fees are another important consideration when choosing a brokerage. At Real Broker, agents pay $249 to join, along with $750 annually that's collected over their first 3 sales each year. There are no transaction fees until an agent caps. eXp Realty keeps things straightforward, charging agents $85 a month and a $25 transaction fee per deal until they cap. At Real Broker, agents pay $30 per sale for E&O insurance, which adds up over time, but it is manageable. At eXp Realty, agents pay $60 per transaction, and once you've paid $750 for the year, you're capped and you don't have to pay E&O insurance anymore, at least for the rest of the year. Training and support. The right training and support can make all the difference, no matter where you are in your real estate career. eXp Realty offers agents access to 50+ live training sessions each week, in addition to a massive on-demand library packed with resources for both new and experienced agents. New agents can get up to speed with our Fast Cap program, while more experienced agents can take advantage of the Kickstart program to refine their skills and grow their business. On top of that, eXp Realty offers 24/7 support, and we have over 2,000 full-time staff members, so you'll never be left without help. Real Broker offers 30+ live hours of training each week, but beyond that, information about support is unclear or if there's any other type of training. If you're looking for a comprehensive round-the-clock support and training that is endless and growing, eXp Realty seems to have the edge. Technology and resources. Staying competitive in the real estate market means having the best tech at your fingertips, and eXp Realty excels in this area with its fully virtual setup. Agents can do anything from online, from attending training sessions to meeting with their broker through eXp World, which is a metaverse-style environment that only eXp has, and it allows real-time collaboration and interaction. If you want more details about that, check out our videos about eXp World, which are in the description below. Additionally, eXp Realty provides agents with their own IDX website, a powerful KV Core CRM, and a marketing center loaded with customizable templates for social media, flyers, and more. And we have a lot more tech than that. I'll talk about some of it in a minute. Real Broker's technology resources are less clear, and they don't offer a metaverse-style environment like eXp World. Without detailed information on the tech available, it's hard to draw a comparison, but eXp Realty's extensive suite of tools is difficult to beat. Income opportunities. When it comes to income opportunities, eXp Realty really shines, offering agents multiple ways to build long-term wealth. Beyond commission, agents can earn revenue share, receive stock production awards, and even purchase discounted stock, all designed to help agents grow their income and financial security. While Real Broker also offers stock awards and the ability to purchase discounted stock, the revenue share pool is much smaller at approximately $43 million to divide up with agents compared to eXp's larger pool of $204 million. Additionally, Real Broker charges $175 annual fee to get revenue share, plus 1.2% in an administrative fee to participate in the revenue share program. eXp doesn't have any of that as a charge for doing revenue share. Another notable difference is that eXp Realty agents can offer unique value to attract agents to their sponsor line. This is for revenue share, which gives eXp agents the opportunity to differentiate themselves from other sponsors. Real broker agents, on the other hand, don't have the ability to offer exclusive value, as all sponsors provide the same resources. This entrepreneurial flexibility at eXp Realty gives agents an extra edge when it comes to building their revenue share downlines. And we have more links to revenue share information in the videos in the description. eXp's exclusive resources. Beyond the usual offerings, eXp has a few game-changing features that other brokerages simply don't provide. eXp has a luxury division with global advertising around the world. eXp Realty also has a dedicated team called Revenues, whose entire mission is to find and deliver top quality leads directly to eXp agents. I mean, how great is that? No brokerage has that. Then there's eXp's referral tool that makes sending referrals to other agents effortless. And I mean, it takes seconds. And for those wanting to focus their entire business on just referrals, we have eXp's referral division that allows agents to slash their costs but stay active in the industry. The bottom line is that because eXp Realty is uniquely profitable, eXp continues to innovate and provide more exclusive resources helping agents and their clients. eXp Realty works hard to maintain its tagline, the most agent-centric brokerage on the planet. To learn more about eXp Realty and our sponsor team, Smart Agent Alliance, here's some more videos which should be showing right now. And hey, subscribe. It really helps motivate me to keep providing all this information. Thank you for watching and have a great day.